Good morning, everyone. Today's a great day. I'm actually reviewing the JBL Tune 120 TWS earbuds set. It actually comes in this brick, a USB port, and also multiple wax tube, like plastic tubes, for the earbud itself. These actually sounds awesome. So they sound amazing. So you get replacement of those just in case you lose them in any way, shape, or form. So it actually helps out a lot. So you don't have to continuously keep buying them. But for the most part, these sound great. I use those when I go biking. So practically, that could last me about 4 or 5 hours on a bike, doing my extreme biking days. And these are actually they do the trick, so I actually keep them on so they keep me entertained, whatever I'm listening to, podcasts, music, whatever it may be. So now, to make a long story short, these actually come in a pair. So it's a pair of them. And this actually use a USB port at the bottom, and that USB port actually charges that actual um, pod or brick, whichever, however they call this. And this actually is the one. This is actually what charges these. Without, if you lose this, these won't be. You won't be able to charge those. You'll probably have to buy a new pair. Or if you under manufacturer's warranty, they can. You could reach out to JBL. They can send you a new pair, a new brick of that sort. But yeah, it makes your life very difficult if you lose the brick itself. So my advice to you is to actually keep a hold of the brick as best as you can. They're very good earbuds. They sound amazing. Mine's a little scuffed up because obviously I've been biking with them, and there's a few times they've fallen and scratches and stuff of that nature. But for the most part, it's still doing the trick. I believe I've had those for about a year now, and I say these are a buy for sure. I like the whole idea of having the indicator lights to know exactly where the brick is as far as battery is concerned. There is a battery inside here, so it actually charges the battery, and in turn, the battery charges the earbuds inside of this. Or if you also want, you could plug, you could put the earbuds in there, same position that they are in now, and plug them in. You could do, pretty much kill two birds with one stone. You can charge the earbuds and the brick at the same time, practically. So most for the most part, that's normally what I do. Considering that during the summer months, I need these to go out on the road and bike. To bike on the road, pretty much, it's a pretty smooth surface. The sound in these is amazing. I can't reiterate that enough. You barely hear anything that's happening on the outside, and based on the volume that you normally like to listen to your music or podcast into. So that's all, personal preference. But these are very cool, very nice, and they sound amazing. I believe right now they're on Amazon for $50, which is probably the cheapest price you'll get for a nice set of earbuds like this, of great quality earbuds like this. To be exact, yeah. So I would definitely check them out. I'm definitely gonna leave the link below if you need to get them, so you can actually go on Amazon and get them. They're practically brand new on Amazon as well. So yeah, I would definitely advise that you, I would advise you buy these because these are very nice. If you like to do outdoor sports like walking, running, biking, and even playing basketball, you can have them in your ear When someone calls you, you can answer your phone call through it. Talk to that actual individual. So it fits my lifestyle, and then actually multi-purpose. So it's actually good in that facet. So I pretty much enjoy these very much. Since I purchased them, I put them to great use. Whenever I go for a run, bike, or walk outside, I definitely use those. Even when I'm mowing the lawn, sometimes I put them on and mow the lawn with them as well. Yep. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to check my review video. I want to say you guys have a blessed day, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day. All right, bye.